How to make onion juice to prevent hair loss. Thousands of people around the world suffer from alopecia, or hair loss. Others suffer from slow hair growth, or fine, brittle hair. One homemade remedy for this problem is onion juice. Learn more about onion juice to prevent hair loss in the following article. Hair loss and brittle hair. Although it is considered normal for people to lose between 50 and 100 strands of hair per day, alopecia has become a problem for millions of people, causing them to seek advice from their doctors. Some reasons why people experience hair loss include stress or poor diet that lacks sufficient proteins and vitamins. Hair loss can affect people's self-esteem, causing them to become depressed and worry more, and thus causing even more hair to become detached from the scalp. There are many natural remedies for preventing alopecia and strengthening brittle hair, and one of the most efficient remedies is onion-based. Using onions to prevent hair loss. This is a natural, safe and efficient way of preventing hair loss and stimulating hair growth with zero side effects, except the onion smell, and no allergic reactions. This means that not only will your hair stop falling out, but it will also grow back stronger and more quickly. Don't have to worry about applying any invasive, costly or chemical methods that would harm your scalp and destroy the hair that you have at the moment. Onions are a vegetable with lots of beneficial properties, and if you apply this treatment over an extended period of time, it will make all those bald spots caused by hair loss disappear, filling them up with new, strong hair strands. But keep in mind that onions are not some magical element that will work miracles on your hair. If you want to see real results, you must also treat the cause of your alopecia. That means eating a healthy, balanced diet, lowering stress levels, and getting a good night's sleep every day. Many people are skeptical about how effective a homemade remedy for hair loss can really be. However, it's worth noting that many scientific studies have shown that onions, and especially their juice, are very good at preventing hair loss, as well as other problems associated with dandruff, yeast infections and fungi. Some studies also show that onions help prevent early graying of the hair. Why do onions make hair grow? Onions have a great number of components that are good for hair growth, especially sulfur. When you apply onion juice to your scalp, it improves blood circulation, therefore making it easier for new strands of hair to grow. Additionally, sulfur is known for improving the body's production of collagen tissues, which are necessary for hair growth. You should know that hair grows from hair follicles located in the scalp, and these follicles need sufficient blood supply in order to be strong and produce new hair. In addition to its previously mentioned properties, onions are antibacterial, meaning they get rid of fungi and bacteria that live on the scalp and prevent normal hair growth. On the other hand, onion juice keeps your hair from getting thin and brittle. It makes it strong and helps prevent breakage. You can achieve great hair volume by using this remedy. How to use onions for hair growth. You first have to extract the juice from a few onions and then apply this liquid to your scalp with a gentle massage. It's as simple as that. To do this, peel 2 or 3 onions and slice them. Then, process them in a food processor or blender. You can also grate them. Basically, you just have to get the juice out. You can then apply the juice directly to your scalp or wet a cotton ball and then place it on your scalp. Remember that the smell is quite strong, so we recommend performing this treatment at night or over the weekend, or using quite a bit of perfume to cover up the smell. You should leave the onion juice on your scalp for half an hour. You can cover your head with a shower cap or a plastic bag so that the juice will get deeper into your skin. Then, rinse with abundant warm water and use the same shampoo you always do, one that doesn't have any chemicals. Repeat this treatment 3 times a week and you will start to see results within 2 months. You may think that 8 weeks is too long to wait for fuller hair or decreased hair loss. However, this is a long-term remedy, not an overnight solution that only lasts for a day. Therefore, you should go with a sure, long-term treatment instead of shooting for a quick, non-sustainable solution. To increase the efficiency of this treatment, we recommend consuming raw onion in salads. Some people mix onions with a shot of rum, let it set overnight, and then strain the mixture before applying the juice the next day. You can also prepare an alcohol-free mixture by mixing the juice of 1/4 of an onion with a tablespoon of honey. You can apply this to your hair or add it to your morning breakfast. Would you like one more anti-hair loss recipe with onion? Mix 1 tablespoon of onion juice with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Massage this liquid into your hair and let it set for 3 hours. Then, wash your hair as you normally would.